Hi, beautiful. I came up with this fabulous idea that's probably gonna backfire on me. I asked Regina, who works on my videos with me, to pick out a bunch of mystery tools for me to cut hair with. This could be anything. And then I told her to pick out a haircut for me to do with these mystery tools. I'm sure it's gonna be absolutely f***ing ridiculous. Regina, what is the haircut I am supposed to do today? Shut up. This is like very avant-garde. I need to like dissect this for a second. Wait, okay, so there's like a sort of like Karen haircut going on the top, a shoulder length bob, but it's like A-line. And then we have a few wispies in the front and a little bit of like a sideburn moment going on, but everything is very like razor cut. Okay, so this is the haircut. This is what we're gonna do? Okay, cool. Sure, yeah. Yeah, no, I can do that, yeah. Yeah, I can do it. I do have a matcha latte today, so I think that'll help. Am I already shitting my pants? A little bit, but it'll be okay. Okay, honestly though, I think, no, I was gonna say I can totally do this, like it's so easy. At least it has a little wiggle room. It could be worse. So my client also just got here, so let's grab her. Hello, oh my God, I love the hair color. How are you today? You want keep your hair long? That's so cute. That's not gonna happen today. You're gonna end up with an interesting haircut. It's a surprise. I can't tell you too much. You know, just hang in there, girl. Hope you like avant-garde. You don't like that? Well, that kind of sucks. You already signed up. I guess now I have to get the tools. Oh, there's a box. I guess I'm gonna open the first tool. Is this like a gigantic razor blade? I should not have this tool in my hands. Oh my God, they just sell these things on the internet? What in the fuck? You trying to kill me? I don't even know what this tool is. A machete? Like, I guess it's for like cutting down what, like trees or something? It's gardening tools. We're doing gardening tools. At least this cuts something. Do I have like a comb? Oh my. What is this? Okay, I'm kind of excited to use these. I'm not gonna lie. Like, hey, I got to it. Ooh, they cut good. All right, what else? Oh, what the hell is this? Is this sharp? Ooh, it is sharp. Oh, it's for like digging up plants? Well, today it's for hair cutting. There seems to be a little theme going on now. These are sick too. How do you even open these? I could do so many haircuts in like 5 minutes with these. I hope these actually work out as good as I think they will. Whoa, dude. I'm much more intrigued than I thought I was gonna be and much more excited than I thought I was gonna be. I thought this was gonna be like extremely painful, which I'm sure it will be. I don't even know why I'm saying that because it's definitely gonna be really painful and like really hard to do, but at least these tools are cool. Okay, this seems to be like a kit. More scissors. These will be good for like cutting the really small bits. Oh, I definitely need gloves. And another one of these tools, but like miniature, I guess. And then even smaller little scissors and things. I am just really, really happy that I have scissors. I don't have a comb. I guess we're going combless. Oh! There's a rake. That'll work as a comb. Look at this little rake. This is gonna have to do. Oh my God. This is so weird. This is a huge box. You guys are gonna die. Why? What? These are literally massive. Nobody should give me any sharp tools. I could literally cut my finger off with this, imagine. Like, why does that go through my head when I start using sharp things? Like, oh, I should cut my finger off. Like, no, don't do that. Don't put your finger in there. And then I like imagine myself putting my finger in it. Like, why? That's not good. Like, you shouldn't put your finger in it. And I'm like, what if I put my nose in it? Like, gone, there's my nose, boop, and it falls to the floor. These are major. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sorry, Miss Mannequin, I do have to cut your hair with them eventually. All right, we have one more box. Okay, this looks extra spooky. It's a goddamn chainsaw. No. Oh, yeah. But like, no. Turn on. Hello. It's locked. Why would you ever need that? Trying to give me a heart attack here? Now that I am adequately stressed and scared, we're gonna do a haircut. That's always a good headspace to be in when you do a haircut. Stressed and scared. Can't wait. Okay, the question is, like, which tool do I wanna start with? I wanna start with the one I opened first, which is this. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of these because there's a lot of here. It's overwhelming. All right, let me look at the picture again. How am I expected to accomplish this with these tools? Huh? You know what? I can do anything I put my mind to. Okay, so let's get this going. Gotta comb it. Okay, listen, it's definitely combing. It's doing its job a little bit. I'm gonna just go for it. You know what I mean? You just gotta go for things in life. You gotta just do it. I am just gonna take the top layer of her hair and just start cutting. Please cut hair. Please cut. Please cut. No! This won't even cut. Damn it. That one did not work. I really had hopes that I was gonna be able to use this one as like a razor and it was gonna really make my life easy because that haircut looks very razored and very jagged and very... This was gonna work for me. But no, you failed me. That's okay though. We always have this. And this could work. It's a shovel that does nothing. You know, sometimes I just wonder why life has to be so hard. Maybe if I put more force into it. Nope, girl, you're gonna have to give me shit that cuts. This isn't cutting it. Get it? This isn't cutting it. That is so good, Brad. I forgot my gloves. How dare I? I need my gardening tools, babes. So far, we have nothing. Off to a great little start here. That's okay. We don't give up. I'm gonna bring out the big guns. Okay, these will cut hair. So let me just section the hair off. Oh, I can't do this with two hands. Okay, so I'm gonna have to let that go. And I think our haircut started like here. God damn it. We have... Hell yeah. Ooh, it's looking cute. We did our first cut. Yay! Let me not do that. That's a little scary. Let me get a little bit more cut on this side. Oh, see, that's the secret. I've seen people use these in their yards before. You gotta go, or it doesn't cut shit. Let me do a little combing. Honestly, it kind of already looks like the picture. Maybe this won't be as hard as I thought it was gonna be. But also, maybe it'll be harder than I thought it was gonna be. Oh. Shut the f up. You can cut so much hair at one time with this. Am I gonna revolutionize hair cutting today? Okay, definitely going too short. Yeah, that's okay. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it, girl. We're giving you avant-garde. You're gonna cut this much hair at one time. Let's try it. Actually, you know what? Never mind. We're gonna use these first. These are the ones that I think look like the most fun. And we haven't found a tool that I'm like obsessed with yet. The last ones were good, but they're a little not easy to control. So let's try this. I mean, somebody has to give me something to cut with. I can't do the haircut unless I can cut. Let me try a smaller piece. Are you kidding? You would think these would be like chomperoonies, like boom, boom, bang. And honestly, this spring action is fire, dude. It's fire. I love this spring-loaded scissor, but it doesn't even cut anything. What am I expected to cut with these? Nothing? Can't even cut a piece of paper with it. Maybe it's not about the size. Maybe it's about the sharpness. So let's try something smaller. Okay, these look promising. See, now I'm really gardening. I'm like, gotta cut the shrub. Herbs. What the hell is a shrub, dude? Oh. It's not the size that matters, you guys. I just learned once again. You rock. I'm sorry I underestimated you. You were like my 6th draft and you slayed. I feel like we're getting the body of the haircut. I really do feel like she needs the bangs now. The bangs are like super shredded and like edgy, right? So like we're gonna do a little comb. We're just gonna go in there and like, ooh. Imagine I can actually do this haircut like well. I would die. I'm trying to give her just edge, creativity, variety, femininity, masculinity. It's giving avant-garde. All right, let's add some layering in here because her bangs are way too thick. Why does that look fire though? Is this how they did the haircut in that photograph? Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. You ever like scroll on Instagram or TikTok and somebody's just like doing hair color with the weirdest tools you've ever seen in your life? Because that's what it comes up on my TikTok. All right, that actually looks kind of good, weirdly enough. Okay, my scissors are starting to lose power. We have a problem. Oh no, they're not cutting anymore. They also cut out so much hair at once. Oh, sorry. I was in like an artistic like mode and I just like went for it. So those are her bangs and they look fire. The haircut's coming along. Y'all thought I couldn't do this? I'm about to get cocky with it in a second. Reference picture, her hair. I can't wear these anymore because they are hot as shit. All right, we have to somehow get like stacking back here. So I think I'm just gonna have to keep cutting like longer bits. I don't think I can like actually layer this because I don't have a comb or scissors. Oh, I have these actually. These will probably be really helpful. Oh, these are most similar to hair cutting shears. So let's try her out. Let's try and get some stacking in the back here. Oh, yes. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted. Damn, I really underestimated these small tools, but look at the stacking. Let's try and do this all the way around the head. And let's also make sure I leave enough hair at the bottom for that like thing that goes around. Girl, you can't tell me that this is not looking good. Give it a little elevation, give it a little cut, that way we get some layering in there. Why does this feel so wrong, yet so creatively right? They even had that in the picture. Slay. I'm not cutting too much. I'm kind of just like sliding the shears down as I cut too, to get even more layering in there. Okay, so she has this kind of like section in the front where it's kind of like detached. So like, let's cut this up. That seems like it's it, right? More of a sharp line on the picture. She's layering. It's always about the layering. This is fire. This side is coming along. Dude, it looks so punk and sick. Oh my God, is this the secret to getting really dope haircuts? Just use gardening tools? Who would have known, girl? Sick layering. It's the matcha latte. I know it is. Y'all always do me good. All right, let's try and do the hard part, which is match this side to the other side. And hopefully I don't screw it up. These are the best tools so far though. We still do have to use the chainsaw. I will be cutting the perimeter with the chainsaw. It also needs to be like see-through at the bottom, I feel like. If this is like too much hair down here, don't you think? It's too much hair. It needs to have less. And I don't feel like looking at the picture because I like to make things hard for myself. My mom's gonna call me later and be like, what did you do today? I'm gonna be like, hey mom, nothing really. I just cut some hair with some gardening tools. And she's gonna be like, cool. Nothing shocks her anymore. You know, it's all about breaking your parents in. Is it looking choppy? Yes. Did the picture reference look choppy? Yes. Do I need to blend it? It almost feels like no, right? Like, why does that literally look like the picture? Wait a damn minute. Well, hell. Let's go in with this tool I'm really scared of. I don't want to use this tool. I actually am really, really nervous about it. I actually hate the idea of even using it. It's all in the part of the little YouTube video, you know? It's, oops, don't fall off me. All right, so let's... Cool. Anyways, let's make this about the length of her neck. Hopefully this cuts something. No. 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 Let's try one more time. No, that's a definite no. Done with that one. Never doing that again. Never touching it again. Absolutely not. I hated every second of it. Future husband, don't ever ask me to do gardening work. We will hire somebody, babe. That's a lie. There's some tools that I like using, so I will do some gardening, but I will not be using any crazy I was about to say I will not be using any crazy shit. Meanwhile, this all of a sudden feels natural and normal to me. It feels like I'm doing this my whole life. Just cutting with gardening tools. Okay, let's try it. Come on, baby, please cut. Oh God, I don't even have enough space in here. Damn you. Oh, damn you. It doesn't work. These apparently can only cut large things like sticks. I have used this before, actually, now that I think of it. That's unfortunate. But we do have another tool. This one looks promising. I feel like this is for like small sticks, so this should work. Girl, it's all about the small tools today, baby. Hell yeah. This has a nice sharp bite to it. Does it make you nervous, me cutting this close to my fingers? Because it does for me. Okay, I definitely fucked up a little bit because I was supposed to leave two little pieces in the front, like that. I guess. Her bob is not bobbing enough, babes. She needs like a sharper line here. I can't really like get in there. It goes a little bit shorter over here, I guess. And we're just gonna put the final touches on this. And then I'm gonna style this for you guys with real hair tools. Listen, I have to finish it. I need to like show you the whole look. I gotta get you the whole thing, baby. Oh, it's good enough. We're going for good enough today. Not great, good enough. When you can't do great, you just do good. She's giving me like, burr, 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 burr. I am a cyborg. All right, let me get my straightener and some styling tools and finish this off. Okay, are you ready to see the final result? I'm kind of proud of it. Dude, she looks like she could be my best friend. What? I am so impressed with myself. Like, she looks so cool and the bob is like giving. Why does it look blended but like also choppy like the image? This and this, they kind of look very similar. Obviously, it's like a loose interpretation of the image. It's not exactly like it, but I mean, for using gardening tools to do this, I think this actually came out really cool. Also, the hair color with this looks sick. Somebody needs to do this through actual hair because I am obsessed with these like browns and reds all together and the blonde. Everything is just coming together for me. I am truly obsessed. I even somehow got these little like pieces in the front like the image had. I embodied this shit and crushed it, okay? I did. This looks fire. I would literally live in this haircut. How the hell did I just do that with only gardening tools? How? Am I crazy? Does this look really bad or does this look actually kind of cool? Let me know. Actually, don't let me know. I just want to live in La La Land if it isn't true. If it doesn't actually look good. I just want to pretend it looks good because I feel like I accomplished something today. Well, I killed that, so bring on the next challenge. If you guys would like to check out my hair care or my hair color line, you can do so with the links right down below or go to xmondohair.com. That is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to live your extra life, and I'll see you next time. Bye.